Ah! Ah! Uh-oh. Ah!
Trey! What's going on? He's coming after you. Go get us, go.
Look at my boy. All right, Bob, here we go. We're going back in the other room. We're running. We're going. We're running. We're going. Here he comes. Ah! Hey, Bo. Here you come. It is 9 something and he needs to be sleeping. He is a terror right now.
Trey, where are you going? Trey! Trey!
I see a shadow.
Do it. Trey, no. No.
Trey.
Bye, Trey. Bye-bye.
Trey, give me some shake. Give me some of that shake.
Oh no, just go ahead and help yourself. Don't even mention what you're doing here or
I need a male's perspective on sleep.
Uh-oh.
And then I don't even think he was going to tell me about Cotillion until Sage accidentally mentioned it. I just said anything.
You got it? Nope, you don't got it.
No, once he actually remembered that happened, it wasn't weird at all. He got over it really quickly. The awkwardness was... I don't know how I'm supposed to fix a problem if I don't even know what the problem is.
Alright, I've been filming a long time now. I'm gonna just...
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.